Welcome once again to another of our tutorials. I'm Tim Christ, TK0130Grey of Xana de Serpente Studios. Welcome back to another Unity demo tutorial. So, first things first, we're looking at our Unity hub. I have my demo number 2 selected right there. So we're going to go from the Unity hub. You're going to click on your scene. And then we're going to go right into Unity. So again, game view, project view, hierarchy and inspector I like to have side by side. So the main camera, we are going to just simply go over here and delete that, because we do not need that at the moment. What we're going to do first, though, is go to the game object menu. There will be a drop down, and you want to go to 3D object and create a plane. So since we have it selected here, we're going to go into the inspector, and we are going to click right here and make sure we're scaling everything evenly. Okay, nice big surface for us to work with. Okay, that should do the trick. Now then, I already have in this scene a couple different assets set up. So we're going to go into our, let's see, I don't want scenes, packages, I think, no. Where is it? Sample scene, game design, prefabs. So this game design folder and the GD Common and Core all come from our very own Professor Jocko, who we interviewed on our podcast last March, April. His episode was really interesting. So we are just going to grab his capsule character here. I think this is the right model that we want to use. So now I'm going to go Control Z. Did Control Z too many times. Redo. Set scale. Okay, where is... Okay, here's the player character I wanted. The player character from the obstacle course. Just had to go into all prefabs right here to find where it was. Like, it's in here somewhere and just forget exactly where it is. Now and then again, I forget where something else is, so let me see something here. Oh, models, no. Materials. Okay, here's a good one for us to look at, our materials. All game objects need them, so let's give our plane here this, no, I don't want that one. Okay, we'll use this grass texture here. Again, a prefab from Professor Jocko. A lot of what we're going to be using today is from our good professor. Let's see something. Go to the search. I want camera holder. Here we go. Now then, just putting the character and the camera holder into the scene does not mean these two objects are linked together. So, here's where I'm going to pull the hierarchy over for just a second, because I'm going to mess with both the player character and the camera holder. So on the player, let's get it tagged as the player, just for safety's sake. And let's go all the way down here to the character control script. Camera, no camera is connected to it right now. So what we need to do is we need to go over here to the hierarchy, grab the camera holder, and bring it over to the game object. So now the camera, half the link has been made. Now if we come over here to the camera holder, target player, just to make sure we have that set up completely, drag and drop, and okay. So if we hit play, our camera and character are now connected. So, now that we have that established, I'm going to grab my hierarchy and put it back up here. Now then, I'm going to come down to this folder here, where I have a custom game object, which is a coin. In the inspector, I would like to rotate this on the x-axis by 90 degrees, and we're going to lift it up. And then I would like to scale this. Come on. Scale it down just a hair. And then we're going to bring it down here. Now then, from there, I'm going to go back to our script folder from our good professor, and I am going to add my pickup to script, so that now when I press play here and it loads, okay. So we have a problem there. It is not collecting. What we need to do is make sure our coin is tagged as... Okay, that's weird. Why is it not there? Player control, destroy all. Okay, that's weird. Oh, here we go. Coin. Pickup type coin. Okay. Now let's see if it works. Everything that you do in the end, everything has to be tagged somehow. Okay, so that's still not enough. That's also still a very large coin. And for that reason alone, I'm going to move the player character closer. Move the camera closer. Go into this build view. No. Go into the hierarchy. Coin inspector. Transform. We're going to make this a little bit smaller. Navigate around a little bit. Okay, let's see here. How big is that? Okay, that's a lot better. Okay. Hierarchy, make sure my coin is selected. And tagged. Okay, I think that is right there. Coin pickup. Okay, I think this might work now. Let's test it out. Okay, that's still not working. Okay, I genuinely do not know why that is not being collected. Okay, so once we've scaled this down, and our character still isn't going through it, we still have one component we have to add to the coin. We need a collider on it. So I'm going to attach a sphere collider, and now that should tell, yeah, is trigger, okay, yep. So this should allow me to collect it now. Or rather, when I pass through it, it should disappear. There we go. So as you can see, we play it again. As long as we're taking a very straight-on approach with it, we can collect it. And just so you guys can see this, shrink that down. We're going to rotate all the way around. This is our very own Xena the Serpente Studios logo coin. Just thought I'd put some product placement in place. Eventually, we might even make 3D prints of these coins. Who knows? But for right now, studio product placement. So, let's see what else we can add to the coin. So inspector, let's see here. How about a rotate object script? Let's see what that does. Right now it's doing absolutely nothing. Okay. Oh, well that's why. Wait, no. Quinn final. Okay. Let's try it now. This is a script from the professor that I'll openly admit I have not messed with yet. So there might be some stuff I have to figure out with it. So for right now, I should be able to just remove it. Okay, I'll just turn it off for right now. So then, I know this script should work for it. I think this is one that I've used from the obstacle course already to test this. Yep, there we go. However, that is rotating way too quickly for my liking. So we're going to come down here to speed. Let's test it at 1. Press play. Okay, for me, that is way too slow. So if 3 was too fast, and 1 was too slow, let's try 2. And yeah, that's a decent speed right there. And huzzah, we just collected it. So those are a couple small little things. A lot of game design is trial and error, learning your tools, learning what you have available to you, figuring out how to make it all work. So, that's your little tutorial for today with some trial and error built in. Have a great day. Until next time, thank you for watching.